Yes, let me read all the question step by step. Divide 64 centimeter long string into two parts in the ratio 3:5. Option A 24 centimeter, 35 centimeter, first part 24 centimeter, second part 35 centimeter. B 24 centimeter, 42 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 28 centimeter, 40 centimeter. Then second question, the angles of a triangle. The angles of a triangle. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:2:7. Then angles of triangle are option A 45 degree, 28 degree, 105 degree, 45 degree, 35 degree, 105 degree, 100 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 105 degree, 45 degree, 30 degree, 100 degree. The fourth proportion of 3, 4, 18 is 12, 24, 36, 48. If A ratio B is 4:5, B ratio C is 6:7, then A ratio C is option A 24:18, 24:20, 14:35, 24:35. So these are the options. Let me give you 2 minutes to solve. Fourth question. Chalo, let me repeat. If A ratio B is 4:5 and B ratio C is 6:7, then A ratio C is 24:18, 24:20, 14:35, 24:35. So take 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes to solve this. Nothing to worry. So we will do step by step. No. Wait. Do not tell me the answer. After 2 minutes I will ask, because this is revision. Everybody should be given the chance to solve, so that they should get confidence in writing the examination. So I have to take care of all the children. And according to me, no student is weak. Only the thing is, the student should put the effort in solving the problem. In my dictionary, there is no concept weak student, strong student. All are equal. Divide 64 centimeter long string into two parts in the ratio 3:5. 3:5. Okay. Chalo, send me the answer up first. First. Durgesh Rana C, Pratyush Singhal C, Dhanvi Vishra C, Hitanshi Singh, Dhanvi C, Naman Singh C, Atharva C. Yes. What about other? So many students are today present. Today's attendance is very good. Aditi Gada C, Pratyush Singhal C, New Setia C. Chalo. Whoever name I have not pronounced, send me. Shreya Parmar C, Shreya Veera C. Shreya Veera C, yes. Yes, what about others? Send. New Setia C, Pratyush Singhal C. Okay. Yes. अरे भाई ठीक है. What about others? Sumaya C, Vedant Jain C. Nishant Sinde C. Yes, Gauri Samant. Or is there any student? Vedant Jain C, Krisha Jain C, Daksh Patel. Okay, Daksh Patel I was missing. Daksh Patel C. Because Daksh is giving the answer in each and every period. Krisha Jain C, Durgesh Rana C. Yes, Veer Gupta, where you are? Yes, Kumawat, Tapasya, Kumawat, where you are? Solve the problem and give the answer. Vedant Jain C. Everybody, Kaustubh Parab C, Tapasya Kumawat, okay, C. Tapasya Kumawat C. Chalo. Durgesh Rana Par Vora C, Tanvi Datta C, Shaurya Yadav C, okay. So all are giving the answer C means 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Let me explain how. Let me explain to those students who have not given the answer. 24 centimeter and 40 centimeter. How? See, this is your 64 centimeter long string. 64 centimeter long string. Okay. 64 centimeter long. We want to divide this in the ratio 3 is to 5. 3 is to 5. Okay. So we want to divide this into two parts. We want to divide. It is clear, right now. So ratio is given 3 is to 5. So what is sum of ratio? Sum is 3 plus 5, that is 8. So sum of the ratio is 8. Ratio of first part is 3, ratio of second part is 5. So now we can find first part. First part will be ratio of first part, that is 3, upon sum of ratio 8 multiplied by total length 64 centimeter. You can cancel 8 8s are 64, 8 3s are 24. So first part is 24 centimeter. Then similarly you can find second part. Second part will be ratio of second part. What is ratio? 5. 5 upon sum of ratio 8 multiplied by total length 64 centimeter. 8 8s are 64, 8 5s are 40 centimeter. So two parts are 24 centimeter is first part, 40 centimeter is second part. So the correct option is C, 24 centimeter ratio, 24 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Wait. Okay. So keep your answers ready for. Chalo. Second one. Pratyush Singhal C, Durgesh Rana C, Shreya Veera C, Aditi Gada C, Durgesh Rana C, Aisha Baralia C, Pratyush Singhal C, Krishang C, New Setia C, Hitanshi Sanghvi C, Krisha Jain C. Yes. Krisha Jain C. Where are other students? New Setia C, Mayank Jatara C. Yes, Veer Gupta, today you are not participating, you are not sending any answer. New Setia C. Yes, what about other students? Tapasya Kumawat, Love Kumawat, so many students are there. Daksh Patel, yes. First answer was C, option C. Daksh Patel C. Krisha Jain C, Shreya Veera C. Karthik Narodia C. Yes, Karthik. C option. So everybody is giving the option C, that is 45 degree, 30 degree and 105 degree. How do you see? 1 minute. See here. Sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. Okay, we know this. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Shaurya Yadav C. Okay. Then the ratio is given 3 is to 2 is to 7. So you have to divide 180 degree in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 7. You find sum of the ratio. That is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. Sum of the ratio is 12. So what will be first angle? Yes, what will be first angle? Ratio of first angle 3 upon sum of the ratio multiplied by total angle. Multiplied by total angle 180 degree. So 12, 15 is 180, 15 into 3, that is 45 degree. 45 degree is first angle. Then you can find second angle. Second angle, ratio of second angle is 2 upon sum of the ratio 12 multiplied by 180 degree. Sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 12, 15 is then 15 into 2, that is 30 degree. Yes, then third angle is, ratio of third angle is 7. So 7 upon sum of the ratio 12 multiplied with 180 degree. So 12, 15 is 180, 15 into 7, 105 degree. So three angles are 45 degree, 30 degree and 105 degree. Which is your option number C? 45 degree, 30 degree, 105 degree. Okay? Yes, Atharva C. Okay. So everybody has given the answer C, which is absolutely correct. Wait. When I will ask you to send me the answer of third, still few students are solving third. So let us give 1 minute time. to them to solve. चलो send me the answer of third. चलो send me the answer of third. Kaustubh Parab B, Divya Patel B. B means 24. Okay. चलो send me the answer of third. Shreya Veera B, Krishank Pankaj B. Yes, any more? Daksh Patel, what is your answer? Krisha Jain, Shreya Parmar B, Nishant Shinde B, Shruti Pradhan B, Krisha Jain B. Okay. Krisha Jain B. Yes, Shreya Parmar B, Atharva B, New Sethia B. Don't say BB. There is no option BB. Only one option B is there. Tanvi Datta B, Sumaya Hamid Sheikh B. Okay, wait. So everybody is giving the answer B. B means 24. B means 24. Let us see whether. 1 minute. See. So fourth proportion. So four numbers A, B, C, D are in proportion whenever A ratio B is equal to C ratio D. Now A and D, they are extreme. A and D, they are extreme. And B and C, they are mean. So when we say that numbers are in proportion, when product of extreme A into D is equal to B into C. Yes or no, my dear? When product of extreme is equal to product of means, product of extremes means A into D, is equal to product of means, then we say that four numbers are in proportion. So this concept I will use. Product of extreme is equal to product of means, then four number are in proportion. So we are given the number 3, 4, 18. Fourth proportion I will take X. So these four number are in proportion means product of extremes. Extremes are 3 and X. So 3 into X is equal to product of mean, 4 into 18. So 3 into X is equal to 72. Before equal to sign, it is my left hand side. After equal to sign, it is my right hand side. Whenever we change the side, sign changes. Plus become minus, minus become plus, multiplication become division, division becomes multiplication. So 3 is there in the multiplication. So 3 will go in the division on right hand side. So X is equal to 72 upon 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So answer is 24. So my fourth proportion is 24, which is your option number B. Okay. Fourth proportion is 24. Fourth proportion is 24, which is your option number B. Okay. 1 minute. Chalo, send me the answer of fourth. Chalo fourth. Those who have Durgesh Rana D, Krisha Jain B, Aditi Gara D, Shruti Pradhan D, Aisha Varalia D, Durgesh Rana C and D. How, my dear? Both are possible. One answer. Pratyush Singhal. Very good. D. New Sethia D. There is no option DD. I will not read the name if you have sent DD. Okay. Krisha Jain D. Nishant Shinde D. Yes, Nishant. Very good. D option. Yes, Shreya Veera. What is your answer? D. Mayank Jathara D. Okay, Mayank. Atharva D. Very good. So today we want more participation. Shreya Parmar D. Shaurya Yadav D. Hitanshi D. Sumaya D. Jay Madhav Das Solanki D. Hitanshi Uplana D. Hitanshi D. Dhanvi Rathod D. Hitanshi D. Durgesh Rana D. Aditi Gada D. Daksh Patel D. Yes. Durgesh Rana D. Dhanvi Viswarao D. Durgesh Rana D. Mayank Jathara D. Tanvi Datta D. Tanmay D. Tapasya Kumawat D. Okay, Krisha Chauhan D. Vans Bhanushali D. Vans Bhanushali A. Durgesh Rana A, D. Chalo. So D, majority are giving the answer D. Let us log this answer D and verify whether this is correct or not. See here. A ratio B is 4 ratio 5. Okay. And B ratio C is 6 ratio 7. Now see here. In A ratio B and B ratio C, B is common. Okay. What is the ratio of B? 5. This is 6. So whenever B is common, that this ratio we multiplied by 5, this ratio of B, so this ratio we multiplied by 5, and this ratio we multiplied by ratio of B, that is 6. Okay. So you will get A ratio B, multiply this ratio by this ratio of B, 6. So 24 ratio 6 5s are 30. Then B ratio C, we multiplied by this ratio of B, that is 5. So 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35. Now which is common? Tell me, which is common? B is again common. B is common. So 30 ratio is common. So you will get A ratio B ratio C is 24 ratio 30 ratio 35. Okay. Now which ratio is asked? A ratio C. So A ratio C is 24 ratio 35. Okay. So which is your option number D? Which is your option number D? 24 ratio 35. Yes, 24 ratio 35. Chalo, let me give few more problem. Now this time I will give less time to solve. Okay. Hard problem. Okay, chalo. You have studied third proportion. Okay. Chalo. This is which number? Fifth number? Fifth number of fifth. Chalo. Find the third proportion of. 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 Find the third proportion of 12 and 30. Are my dear coming? Find the third proportion of 12. Voice is perfect. Option A 45, B 65, C 75, and D is 360. Find the third proportion. Yes? Yes. My dear, my volume is full. I have kept my volume full. Okay. Nothing can be done from my side, my dear. I have kept my volume full. Okay. Chalo, solve this. Wait. Let me give time to everyone. Now sixth one. My dear, I have kept my volume full. Okay. Nothing can be done from our side. Chalo. Next one is find the value of x. Chalo. Okay. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. You are given 2.5 ratio 4 is equal to x ratio 7.5. X ratio 7.5. Shall we do it? Okay? Shall we do it? Find the third proportion of 12 and 30. Option A 45, B 65, C 75, D 360. Okay? 1 minute I am giving. चलो डू इट. हाँ चलो. You want the option for sixth one? Okay. Seventh one. Right, my dear. Option A, 4 is to 11 by 16, 4 is to 11 by 16, B, 5 is to 11 by 16, C, 6 is to 11 by 16, D, 7 is to 11 by 16. Mixed fraction, you can answer. Okay, so do it, Carol. चलो फिफ्थ आंसर यू सेंड. फिफ्थ आंसर पंकज, कृषांक पंकज डी, वंश डी, परबोरा डी, मयंक जिठारा डी, कौस्तुभ परब डी, हर्ष बोरा पर्श हर्ष परबोरा डी. ओके परबोरा डी. डी मीन्स 360. अरे माय डियर 360. समृद्धि पंडितकर डी, धनवी. My dear, what you are telling? What you are telling? Huh? See my dear. Huh? Huh? What is your name? Huh? Divya Patel. Huh? C. Yes. So C is the correct answer. 75. Option number C is correct. D is wrong. See this. Third proportion. So 12 x and 30. 12, 30 and x. Okay. What is given? They are then in the third proportion, no, my dear. So 12, 30, x are in third proportion, means continued proportion. So what we get? Tell me. What you will get? Third proportion. 12 ratio 30 is equal to 30 ratio x. So now they are in proportion. So product of extreme 12 into x is equal to 30 into 3. So 12x is equal to 30 into 30. That is 900. So x is equal to 900 divided by 12. You can cancel them by 3. 300, 3 is 900. 4 3 is 12, then 4 75, 300. So answer is 75. So third proportion is 75, is absolutely correct answer. Chalo, send me the answer of sixth quickly. Parbora C, Shreya Veera A, Parbora A, Divya Patel A, Hitanshi Sanghvi A, Mayank Gitara A, Hitan Sanghvi A, Trisha Chaudhary A. Okay. So majority are giving the answer A. So for sixth, A is the correct answer. Sixth, A is the correct answer. Aha, lock कर दिया. Here I have locked the answer. चलो, it is 9:41. We stop here. We will do the revision of rational numbers, integer in the next period. Kaustubh Parabe. Bye everybody. 7th F class. 7th F class, those who have not sent the Aadhaar number, Krisha Jain A. Krisha Jain A. Chalo, Krisha Jain A. Bye everybody. Send the Aadhaar number and Gmail ID. Bye. Those who have not sent Aadhaar number, Gmail ID, please send it today by 12 o'clock. Okay.